What the hell? It's Puppy Trick 69. Hello everybody, it's me, Puppy Trick 69. In this video I'm gaming the duel. Now I'm shying portal. Okay, I'm here. Piggy hopscotch. Why can't you fly? You little god. Wait, what? Wait, see, that is so. I not care. Oh no, it's pig hopscotch. Where to go? You stupid. Okay, sorry. You piggy. Okay, now let's go. Chum. Where is the bunga? Okay. What the hell? Oh. No. I'm looking for you. I worry for you. I bark at you. Happy hopscotch. Don't kill me. Possible my skin. Oh my gosh. It's big here. Wait, what? It's big? No way. You stupid. No, my friend is. No, he is adding. It's dumb. Let's go to color. Okay, now let's go to clinic the Piggy Bitsky. Piggy. Bro, what happened? You can't fly. You can't stop it. Okay. No. You can't fly. Look, this big time. Gotta. You hacker? You can't fly. You can't. You Rudy. Hello Rudy. My name is Ohio. Wait, Rudy, are you okay? Okay? Piggy. It's not here. Not. Wait! You piggy hopscotch. Piggy hopscotch. Oh. No! Goodbye.